One thing I've learned in the course of working with hundreds of dentists is that the problem-solving skills and innovative approach that they use to practice dentistry usually don't carry over to their marketing. I'll be back after the break to tell you why imagination may be a dentist's best friend when it comes to marketing. I'm Colin, Receiver, founder and CEO of SmartBox Web Marketing. Welcome to the podcast. I've got a question for you to start out with. Think about who is your ideal patient. Or, if you have multiple specialties, who are your ideal patients? Now, those aren't idle questions because the answers will tell you exactly who you should be marketing to. And of course, there are 1,000 ways to answer those questions, but it's important not to think too narrowly about this. You need to account for every single desirable characteristic of the patients that you want to attract. For instance, you might say they got a wad full of cash in their pocket, which is great unless all of them just need cleaning, whitening, and the occasional restoration. Or you might decide that you want the big cases only, which is fine. But remember that those patients have to be able and willing to pay for that work. And generally, the patients that need large dental care are blue collar. Now, maybe you just want loyal repeat patients, which every dentist needs, provided those patients need significant work going forward. Too many dentists market to the wrong kinds of patients. They're basically just wasting their advertising dollars. Now, once you've settled in on an ideal patient or patients, you have to determine what they want. That may not be what you think it is. Do patients want a dentist with multiple degrees or a string of training programs? Do they want the latest and greatest in imaging technology or state-of-the-art lab? Now, none of those hurt, but they're not what patients want. Your patients want the ability to smile confidently, to eat without pain, and to not worry about their dentures flying out. Once you know the characteristics of your ideal patients and what they want, then you'll know how to effectively market to them. Just make sure you speak their language, not the dental jargon. Most dental marketing I see is more attuned to attracting other dentists than it is to attracting patients. If you use your imagination to do all these things, you stand a much better chance of attracting the patients that you want. And for more information on attracting more and better patients, click reply on this email right now and shoot me a message. Join me for tomorrow's podcast. Until then, keep moving forward.